Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get API keys for your Google Maps. So here we will start in the Google Maps platform. Search on Google for Google Maps platform or go to the website mapsplatform.com. Then tap on this get started. Now once you get to click on get started, you need to be signed in with your Google account. It will automatically sign you in with your Google account. Here you need to agree the terms of services, agree and continue. And once you are here, just simply click on this APIs and services, and once again click on agree and continue. And now you need to verify your payment information, and once you do, you can click on here on get started or start for free in order to get your API key absolutely free. So don't worry, go ahead and add your payment method like credit or debit card and click on get started for free here. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to get a Google Maps API key. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.